Welcome to my channel Believe in Christ. Proverbs chapter 10 Solomon's Proverbs. These are the Solomon's Proverbs. Wise son makes his father proud of him, but a foolish one brings his mother's grief. Wealth that you get by dishonestly will do you no good, but honestly can save your life. The Lord will not let the people go hungry, but he'll keep the wicked from getting what they want. Being lazy will make you poor, but hard work will make you rich. A sensible people gathers the crops when they are ready. It is disgrace to sleep to the time of harvest. Good men will receive blessings. The wicked men hide a violent nature. Good people will be remembered as a blessing, but the wicked will be soon forgotten. The sensible people accept good advice. The people who talk foolishly will come to ruin. The honest people are safe and secure, but the dishonest will be caught. If someone who holds back the truth causes trouble, but the one who openly criticizes works for peace. A good man's words are a fountain of life, but a wicked man's hide a violent nature. Hate stirs up trouble, but love overlooks all offenses. Intelligent people talk sense, but stupid people need to be punished. The wise get all the knowledge they can, but the fools speak. Trouble is not far off. The wealth protects rich, the poverty destroys poor. The reward for the doing good is life. The sin leads only to more sin. The people who listen when they are not corrected will live, but those who will not admit that they are wrong are in danger. 18. A man who hides his hatred is a liar. Anyone who spreads a gossip is a fool. The more you talk, the more likely you are to sin. If you are wise, you will keep quiet. A good man's words are like pure silver, and a wicked man's ideas are worthless. A good man's words will benefit many people, but you can kill yourself with stupidity. The Lord's blessing make you wealthy. Hard work will make you more richer. It is foolish to enjoy doing wrong. Intelligent people take pleasure in wisdom. The righteous get what they want, but the wicked will get what they fear most. The storms come, the wicked are blown away, but the honest people are always safe. And never get a lazy man to do something for you. He will be irritating as vinegar on your teeth or smoke on your eyes. Obey the Lord, you will live longer. The wicked die before their time. Hopes of the good men lead to joy, but the wicked people can look forward to do nothing. The Lord protects the honest people but destroys those who do wrong. The righteous people always have to be security, but the wicked will not survive. The righteous people speak wisdom, their tongue that speaks evil will be stopped. Righteous people know the kind things to say, but the wicked are always say things that hurt. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe, like and comment and give your support.